You're a local stuntman. We want you to get up on here and jump. Get up on that and jump, alright? Alright. Do your stuff.
First we gotta wait till the old people leave.
Nah, just go scoot, you're fine.
So like 85, we don't want them to have a heart attack.
You're fine. You're fine.
Alright, we're fine now. Old people out.
Get up on that and jump. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Don't break your legs.
Oh, motherfucker, this is mine. Fuck, niggas.
Haiti, let's go.
Show me some love. Fuck, this is how you do it.
Dude, what if his knees pause?